A, Newaigie Technology Company Limited, has a beauty instrument factory founded in 2016. The company has accumulated over 8 years of rich experience and has now become a professional beauty equipment manufacturer, integrating trade and production. The company consists of a full set of departments, such as Research and Development Department, Production Department, Quality Inspection Department, Sales Department, Operational Department, After Sales Department, and Logistics Department. We are committed to providing you with a complete service closed-loop system. Newangie pursues first-class product quality, and each product undergoes strict clinical testing and quality inspection before it goes on the market, so as to guarantee your results. At present, our main products are laser machine, slimming machine, skin care machine, physiotherapy machine, facial lift machine. All products must meet the requirements of CE and ROS. Our products are mainly exported to USA, Canada, Australia, France, Italy, Spain, Mexico, Malaysia, Singapore, and Japan. We serve more than 100 countries around the world and have established solid relationships with more than 8,000 beauty salons and more than 1,000 distributors. We not only provide machines, but also provide one-on-one account manager service, ODM and OEM service, promotional poster design, and professional esthetician machine training. With this support, we hope to help you meet the new challenges of starting your own business more smoothly. Contact us to create a bright future with you.